Hello grade 8 learner and welcome to another video lesson in Mathematics 8. In this lesson, we will be solving systems of linear equations in two variables. This lesson is based on the K-12 curriculum learning competency. The learner solves a system of linear equations in two variables by substitution. By the end of this lesson, you, the learner, should be able to follow the steps in solving for the solution of a system of linear equations through substitution. It's another great day to learn, so prepare your module, pen, and paper as you start watching and learning from this video lesson. Happy learning! Refer to your Quarter 1, Weeks 8 to 9 math module entitled System of Linear Equations for this example. Let us find the solution of the system 2x plus 3y equal to 6 and x minus 4y equal to 3. We first observe the problem. To use substitution easily, we check each equation if any equation has variables with a coefficient of 1 or negative 1. Here, we can see that the second equation has x that has a numerical coefficient of 1. Let us process what we know. To solve the system of linear equations through substitution, let us review the steps. Now that we know the steps involved in the substitution process, let us solve. For us to know which equation we are talking about during the explanation of the process, we name the equations. Our first equation is equation 1, while the second equation is equation 2. We saw that equation 2 has x which has a coefficient of 1. So we use equation 2 to solve for the temporary value of x. Thus, we take a closer look at equation 2. To isolate x on one side of the equation, we need to transfer negative 4y to the other side of the equation. This results to x equal to 3 plus 4y, which we will name as equation 3. Now, let's substitute the value of x that we got in equation 3 to the x in equation 1. Beginning with equation 1, we then substitute x in the equation with 3 plus 4y. After distributing 2 to 3 plus 4y, we then combine similar terms, which are 2y and 8y. This results to 10y. To leave 10y on the left side of the equation, we need to transpose 6 on the other side of the equation, which means that we subtract it from 6. This results to the expression 10y equal to 0. To eliminate 10 in 10y, we divide 10 on both sides of the equation. By dividing 0 by 10, we get the value of y, which is equal to 0. Now that we know what the value of y is, we substitute it in equation 3 to solve for the value of x. We begin with the equation where we substitute y with 0. We simplify this by multiplying 4 by 0, which is 0. This results to 3 plus 0, which we have to combine. Thus, the value of x is equal to 3. To confirm that we have correct values for x and y, we substitute these values in the equations in the system. Thus, we have the solution for equation 1. This results to 6 equal to 6, which is a true statement. For equation 2, we have the following solution. Again, this results to a true statement which is 3 equal to 3. This proves our answers are correct. Let us now state the conclusion to the problem. Given the system of linear equations, we solved that the solution of the system is 3, 0. Congratulations for finishing this video lesson. Now apply what you have learned. And don't worry, because to quote Nelson Mandela, it always seems impossible until it is done. We'll see you again on our next video lesson.